Hello everyone, so this PPT is about Transcendentalism. Introduction. Transcendentalism is an American literary, philosophical, religious, and political movement in the early 19th century America. Transcendentalism is an ideal state that is beyond physical and empirical. Transcendentalists are Ralph Waldo Emerson, Henry David Thoreau, Margaret Fuller, Lydia Maria Child, Theodore Parker, Amos Bronson Alcott, Frederick Henry Hedge, and Elizabeth Palmer Peabody. Important points. Transcendentalists focused on a relationship between man and nature, idealism and opposed to materialism, belief in personal knowledge of God, Unitarianism, the belief that there is only one God, rejection in the belief of Trinity gods, Father, Son, and Holy Ghost, and predestination. Rejection of the traditional Christian belief to need an intermediator for spiritual insight. Emerson and Transcendentalism. Transcendentalists believed in social reform. Emerson was the primary practitioner of this movement when he explained his philosophy in the essay Nature. In this essay, he stressed upon one's personal understanding of universe based upon intuition rather than reason. He focuses on spirituality and a new vision to perceive the divine or higher reality as large and visible that he calls nature. He also emphasizes on the need of harmony between nature and human beings. Origin. Transcendentalism movement began in 1830s in America. This movement was influenced by German philosophers John Wolfgang von Goethe and Immanuel Kant, English Romantic writers William Wordsworth and Samuel Taylor Coleridge, the doctrine of Unitarianism. Transcendentalists believe in study nature as a means to self knowledge. Every individual is capable of discovering higher truth through intuition. Man is inherently good. Society corrupts man's inner goodness. Individualism and self reliance, celebration of imagination and emotions, direct relationship with God, nature as a source of truth and inspiration. Ralph Waldo Emerson, 1803 to 1882, an essayist, poet, and speaker. He was an abolitionist, studied in Harvard University, founder of Transcendental Club, writes nature and self-reliance essays, urged people to think of themselves rather than following traditional rules. Next, we have Henry David Thoreau. He was born in 1817 and he died in 1862. He was a school teacher, essayist, and a poet, best known for Walden and the essay Civil Disobedience. He was a supporter of abolitionism, attended Harvard College, built a cabin in woods, and spent 2 years in studying nature, believed in non-violent resistance to government policies, inspired Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Amos Bronson Alcott. He was born in 1799 and died in 1888. He was a teacher, writer, philosopher, and reformer, founder of Temple School and Fruitlands. He didn't believe in punishing his students to make them disciplined. He believed in vegetarian diet. He was an important figure in Transcendental Club. He was the father of the novelist Louisa May Alcott. Margaret Fuller. She was born in 1810 and she died in 1850. She was a journalist, critic, and a women's rights activist. Her book Women in 19th Century is considered to be the first major feminist work in the United States. She was the first editor of Transcendentalist journal The Dial in 1840. She was the first woman to use the library at Harvard. William Ellery Channing, born in 1818, died in 1901, poet and a close friend of Thoreau, published the first biography of Thoreau in 1873, supported Unitarianism and abolitionism, champion of the rights of individual man. And here this PPT ends. Thank you.